Hey everyone, I'm Jordan with Citywide Mortgage Services, your personal mortgage planner. Lots has gone on in the mortgage world this week, mostly due to the explosion of the coronavirus. First off, the Bank of Canada cut its benchmark rate by 50 basis points. We weren't quite sure if the banks and lenders were going to be passing along this same savings to their customers, but that's exactly what they did. So they cut prime rate by 50 basis points as well. And that brings prime rate down to 3.45%. Now this is going to affect you if you have a variable rate mortgage or a line of credit. So basically you're going to be paying less interest. Bond yields are also plummeting. The 10-year bond yield, in fact, is the lowest it's ever been. And they are the key driver in fixed interest rates. So all week long, the fixed interest rates have been going down. So my phone has been blowing up with people asking me, how are these things affecting me? Well, if you are currently looking for a home or getting a mortgage, it's certainly a very good time for interest rates. But we are going into what I'm seeing already is a really busy spring market. We're seeing multiple offers, bids above asking price. So you really need to be prepared and armed with a pre-approval. It's really important to have a team in place, a mortgage broker, a realtor working for you. And finally, if you do have a pre-approval in place and you're working with a broker like myself, do know that we are monitoring rates. So if the rates do go down, we can request a rate drop so you will get the lower rates. Finally, unfortunately, it is expected that coronavirus is going to continue with more people getting sick. And so I've heard that the Bank of Canada is potentially going to be doing another rate cut at their next meeting in April, this time by 25 basis points, which will again affect prime rate. So lots going on. If you want to know how all this affects you, please give me a call. I'm always here to help. Have a fantastic weekend. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you here next week.